Hi class, we'll go through some illustration questions in this lecture. So just be attentive. You will learn how to solve various problems on Heron's formula. In my last video, I discussed about the various types of questions which are frequently asked. Here we'll take examples for each type. So till type 1, 2, 3, 4, we have already taken illustration during the lecture itself. So from type 5, we'll take one example to understand how we can solve the questions efficiently. So find the area of a triangle whose two sides are given and perimeter is also given. Next question in this is find the height. So 96 will be equal to a plus 34 plus 20. 96 equal to a plus 54. 96 minus 54 is equal to a is equal to, you just subtract it, 2 and 4, right? So we got the value of a as 42 centimeter. Now by Heron's formula, so Heron's formula gives us area, right? Area is equal to under root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So the value of s we already have, since p is equal to this, so s is equal to p by 2, that is 96 by 2 centimeter. That will be 48 centimeter. Now s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, we will find it separately as we did in the earlier example. So s minus a, 48 minus a, 6 centimeter, 48 minus b, 14 centimeter, 48 minus c, 28 centimeter. So just put the value over here, 48 into 6 into 14 into 28. Just try to find this value. So never ever try to multiply everything in one shot and try to find the square root which you studied in 8th standard. Just try to simplify it. So 48 you can write like 8 into 6, we already have 6. Keep 14 as 14 and 14 into 2. So here you can see this and 8 into 2, 16. So you'll get a very simple value. Once you take square root, you will get this as 336 centimeter square. Now, so we got this as area and the longest side as 42 centimeter. So second part of the question says find the corresponding height, find the height corresponding to the longer side. So this is the longer side, corresponding side height will be this one, h. How we will find this? So apart from Heron's formula, we have another formula to get the area, which is half into base into height. So whatever formula we are using, since the figure is same, area will be also same. So this area will be equal to 336 centimeter square. Why we are using this formula? Because we need to find this h. We already know this. We have the value of this constant. So half into 42 into h is equal to 336. H is equal to 336 divided by 21, that is 16 centimeter. So let's do a quick recap. We used Heron's formula to find the area, and once we got the area, we used the basic formula half into base into height to find the height corresponding to the longest side. If they ask to find the height corresponding to this, we can take this as height, take this as base, use the same formula, put the value of area and get the value of corresponding height. Next type is finding the area of a triangle whose three sides are given in some ratio. They will give the sides in some ratio and they will give the perimeter, and they will ask you to find the area of triangle. How to approach this kind of question. So basically they have given the ratio in 5:12:13 and the perimeter is 150 meter. So let us assume each side as 5x, 12x and 13x. Hence 5x plus 12x plus 13x will be equal to 150, right? 30x will be equal to 150, x is equal to 5. So we got the ratio, we got the variable as x. So we can say side AB, that we will represent this as C, is equal to 13 into 5, 65 meter. BC CA is how much? 12x. This is 5x. 5 into 5, 25 meter. 12 into 5, 60 meter. Now we have ABC, we have S is the semi perimeter, that will be 65 plus 25 plus 60 divided by 2. So can we use the Heron's formula? S minus A, S minus B into S minus C, right? So here just find the semi perimeter of this triangle, triangle. No, this will be S 75, S minus A. So just use here S minus, this will be S minus C is equal to 75 minus 65 is equal to 10. S minus A is equal to 75 minus 25 is equal to 50. S minus B is equal to 75 minus 60 is equal to 15. So 75 into 50 into 15 into 10, right? So this will be 25 into 3, 25 into 2, that is 50, that is 75, 5 into 3, 5 into 2. So we have this pair, we have 25 pair, we have 3 and 2. So eventually you will get 750 meter square. So here the question is finding the cost of watering. So what we will do is find the area. So A is given, B is given, C is given. So semi perimeter is also given. Now we know that area of a triangle or whatever, using Heron's formula we can write this. Now see, earlier I said you find it separately and put the value over here. If you are not doing that, see the under root value is getting larger and larger. So it will create the complexity. So finally you will get area as 336 meters square, and total cost will be how much? Area of the field, okay, how much area of the field into rate, that is 336 into 2, rupees 672 will be the answer. Next step is finding the area of a quadrilateral whose one diagonal and all sides are given. So here it's saying that a park is in the shape of a quadrilateral, has angle B equal to 90 degree. Okay, so park is something like this. Assume angle B is 90 degree. AB, let's take ABCD. AB is 9 meter, BC is 40 meter, CD is 15 meter, AD is 28 meter. How much area does it occupy? Angle B is given, angle side AB is given, BC is given, CD is given. Now here if you see, all the sides are given, not the diagonal. So to find the area of this quadrilateral, what we will do is we will divide it into two triangles. Once we get area of, let's say this is triangle 1, this is triangle 2. If we get the area of triangle 1 and area of triangle 2, we'll add it to get the overall area of the quadrilateral park. Now if we see triangle ABC, it's a right angle triangle, and AC we can find using Pythagoras theorem. So AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square will be equal to 9 square plus 40 square this will be the value of diagonal, which is nothing but 41 meter. Okay, so we got this value AC as 41 meter. Now we have two options to find the area of triangle ABC. Either you use half into base into height, since this is a 90 right angle triangle, or you can use Heron's formula. Let's use half into base into height for this triangle and Heron's formula for this triangle. That will be simple. So area of triangle 1 is equal to half into base into height, that is half. Base let us assume as 40 meter, height as this one. Now area of triangle 2 will be under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So let's find S will be 28 plus 15 plus 41 by 2. Let's add it. So it will be 84 by 2, 42 meter. So S minus A will be 42 minus, let us assume this as A, 41, 1, S minus B is equal to 42 minus 15, S minus C is equal to 42 minus 28. Okay, so 42 into 1 into 27 into 14, so we got this as 7, 7 we already have, 6, this and this will combine to make 6. So answer will be 7 into 6 into 3. So this is the area. So we got area of this triangle, we got area of this triangle. Now add it up. So this will come as 42 into 3. I'm doing each and every step just to show like how you can use, how can follow the same steps in exam or in class. So just add it. Area ABCD will be 180 plus 126 meter square. Will be answer. So next question is finding the area of quadrilateral whose one diagonal and length of perpendicular from opposite vertices to the diagonals are given. So if we try to draw a diagram for this, let's take this as a diagram. ABCD, the length of the longer diagonal, let's assume this is the longer diagonal, is 128 centimeter, and the length of the perpendicular from the opposite vertices to this diagonal, it has two opposite vertices, that is A and C. So the length of the perpendicular are given as 22.7 centimeter, and from here let's take this 17.3 centimeter. You have to find the area of quadrilateral. Now it's very much visible. So we have two triangles, triangle ABD and triangle BCD. So triangle ABD and triangle BCD. For both, area will be half into base into height. Let's say A1, A2, half into B2 into S2. So this will be half into base. Base, the same diagonal will be the base for both. So base 128, height is 22.7. And for this one, half into 128 into 17.3, this one. Now you need to add it. So let's not solve this immediately over here. Just try to add. Area will be A1 plus A2 is equal to half B1 H1 plus half B2 B1 H2. B1 and B2 are same, that's why I have written B1. So it's half B H1 plus H2. Okay, half base is how much? 128. H1 is how much? 22.7 plus 17.3, which is equal to, let's divide it. So this will come as this into, add this and this, 40. This will be the answer. Now miscellaneous. Here I have just copied the question from NCERT textbook. So it's like a kite in the shape of a square. So basically this A, B, C, D, you can assume this as a square with a diagonal 32 centimeter. So 32 centimeter is the diagonal, both diagonals will be same, and an isosceles triangle of base 8 centimeter. So they are talking about this triangle 8 centimeter and sides 6 centimeter each is to be made of 3 different sets as shown in the figure. How much paper of each set has been used in it? So basically it's trying to ask how much area you will get for set 1, 2 and 3. So very simple. If we talk about the solution, so area of square you can directly find, and you can divide it by 2 to get the area of 1 and 2, right? Or let's take area of triangle A. Let's take area of triangle 1 is equal to half into base into height. So half base is what? The diagonal. So you can take BD as the diagonal, and height you can take 1. So basically height will be half of the diagonal. Okay, D by 2, half into 32 into 16, that is 16 square. Area of triangle 2, you will get the same thing, 16 square. And area of triangle 3, you can use, they have given all the sides. Actually you can use that or you can use the formula. Let's use the direct formula for finding the area of isosceles triangle. What was that? 1 by 4 base root of 4a square minus b square. that is 1 by 4 into base you can take as 8 root of 4 into a is how much? 6 square 36 minus 64 2 into root of this. Let's take 4 common, so this will be 36 minus 16 2. Let's take 2 outside, so this will be how much? 20. Just add all the, so basically yeah, that's it. You got the area of each triangles separately. This is very important questions, and it's a bit different in itself, so I'll just try to explain it. So the question is asking, like, in the given figure, radius of in circle triangle, radius of in circle triangle ABC is 4 centimeters. So they have given this radius as 4 centimeter. This is radius, this is also radius, this is also radius. AB, the whole side they have given as 14 centimeter. AF, and this much 6 centimeter. BD, so from here till here they have given. BD they have given 8 centimeter. AC you have to find, and BC you have to find. Alright, so how to solve this? Let's try to divide it in some triangles, so that the calculation become easy, and we can use whatever we have learned till now. So let's divide it in triangles now. So this is radius, right, and it's tangent, so it will make 90 degree over here. Now we have this 6 centimeter, total 14 centimeter, so this will be definitely 8 centimeter. 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. We got this. So this is 8, this is 8, this is 6, this will be also 6. How? Let's try to use congruency theorem. So in triangle this 90 degree, same. This radius, same. Hypotenuse common. So using RHS we can say triangle AOF is congruent to triangle AOE. So with this will come as 6 centimeter. Now somehow if we find this much, we can give the value of overall BC and AC. Okay, so how to find that? Right, let's try to divide this in triangle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and assume this as x. Even here if you assume this as x, CE, it will be equal to CD. Again we can use congruency theorem. So this is the 90 degree, this is the radius equal, this is the hypotenuse, so this will be equal to this. So with that keeping in mind, our semi perimeter, it will be like 8 plus 6 plus 6 plus x plus 8 plus x. So if you see, we talked about this side, and this side divided by 2. So it will be nothing but 8 plus 6 plus x by 2, that is 14 plus x by 2. That is the semi perimeter. Now using this formula we can find the total area also. Right, so this will be 2x by 2, or I'm sorry, so basically here we can get the semi perimeter as what I was trying to do is, this is 2 times 6 is 2 times, x is 2 times and divided by 2. So basically it's 8 plus 6 plus x, right? 14 plus x. So s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, will find it. S is 14 plus x. So a is how much? 8 plus x. B is how much? 6 plus x. C is how much? 14. So 14 plus x minus a, that is 8 plus x. That will give you how much? X cancelled. 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. So you got s minus a as this. S minus b. So b is 6 plus x. Get 8. And this is like 14 minus x minus 14. 14 plus x minus 14, it will give you x. So area is equal to root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c is equal to 14 plus x, s minus a, that is 6 into 8 into x. Okay, so we got this area using Heron's formula. Now we divided, the figure in different triangles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we'll find the area of each triangle separately. What will be the area of triangle 1? Triangle 1. Area of triangle 1 is equal to half into base into height. Half, base is 8, height is 4. 4 is the radius. 16 centimeter square. So similarly, area of triangle 2 will be also 16 centimeter square. Area of triangle 3 will use the same formula, half into base. Base you can take 6 and height as again 4. 12 centimeter square. Similarly, area of triangle 4 is equal to 12 centimeter square. Alright, so area of triangle 5 is equal to half into base into height. Half, base is x, height is 4, that is 2x. Okay, similarly area of triangle 6 is equal to 2x. Now add it. 16 plus 12, 28 plus 2x. So total area you got of the triangle ABC is equal to 16 plus 12 plus 2x into 2. Why 2 times? Because it's multiplying, right? So 28 plus 2x into 2, that is 56 plus 4x. So this will be equal to this, and get the value of x. So here we found the area of the same triangle in two different ways. First one is using Heron's formula, and second one is the basic concept. So can we say that both areas are equal? Yes, right? So we'll make both the equations equal to find the value of x. So just solve this equation and you will get value of x as 7 centimeter. So basically you got this value as 7 centimeter. So just keep in mind the basic concept is like finding the area of triangle using basic formula or using the Heron's formula, and in almost all the questions we use Pythagoras theorem as well. Another question which I would like to take is like a rhombus. So there are few properties of special quadrilateral which you must know and which you must use while solving the question. So here it's rhombus. So as soon as you see rhombus, all the properties of rhombus should come in your mind. So one of the properties is that diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. So we'll be using this concept. Okay, so a rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cos 2 grays. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meter, they have given each side as 30 meter, and its longer diagonal is 48 meter. Let's take this as longer diagonal, so the complete one is 48, so this will be 24 and 24. How much area of the grass field will each curve be getting? So you just need to find the area of triangle. Just keep in mind, you can find area of this triangle, you can find area of this triangle, whatever. So earlier we studied, right, if one of the diagonals is given and all sides are given, how to find the area. So you already have this, you have this, you have this. You can use Heron's formula, or we have this as 24, this as 30. Use Pythagoras theorem to find this. So just use the Pythagoras theorem and find this area, this area. Similarly, you find this area and this area. That's it. So all the best, guys. Try to solve maximum question from this chapter from your textbook or from classroom, and ask us if you have any doubt. So please register on our website for all the benefits, and follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Side to one of the corresponding sides. So question is, the perimeter of a triangle is 96 centimeter and two of its sides are 34 and 20 centimeter. Find the height corresponding to the longer side. So let us draw a triangle ABC where perimeter is given as 96 centimeter. The two sides which are given, assume B equal to 34 centimeter, C is equal to 20 centimeter. So what will be A? First we need to understand. So assume this is 34 centimeter, this is 20 centimeter, and perimeter is also given. Can't we find this? So A will be equal to perimeter minus B plus C. Or let's not make it complex. Perimeter is equal to, that is represent perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C.